Hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm out here at a place called House on the Rock. The House on the Rock. I don't know exactly what to expect, but I think that might give us some indication. Let's go take a look at that thing real quick, and what we're going to see when we go inside. So you can decide if you want to join us or not. I've never been here, but I want you to see this thing. Yeah, that's a little unusual. There's actually another one over there, and there's another one just as you go inside here. So we're gonna go take a walk, see in this place, and bring you along with us, because we're just out here living the coolest life. Exploring Travel Edition. Leg one. We're walking down this ramp system and going into gardens. Looks like some of that. So there's those big giant pots like we saw on the way in. There's several of them. Oh, there's actually several of them on the way in, and there's also some big ones like that in there. Nice little walkway though. Definitely built for snow, huh? With this pitched roof and everything. So this first area here is a big museum that talks about the building of it and different things that they have inside of it. And it shows you pictures of the actual house that's actually on the rock. And the different things that's going on inside. One of them is the, yeah, right there. It's like a little town village. It's pretty neat. Looking forward to it. It shows you some of the dollhouses and the carousel pieces. Some of the other, he was fascinated with dragons. Yeah, I know her. Humpty Dumpty. This is actually inside of the original part of the house. I think he said this was a gatehouse. It's hard to see since it's really dim in here. You can't really see too much of it, but this is like the cooking area. There's a big fire area there. And a great big long makeshift couch. Definitely had a fascination with Asian art. Yeah, I did. This place is called the Infinity Room. I don't know why they got that music playing, but you can see why. It just seems like it keeps going and going. Actually, it doesn't. It stops there toward the end. A lot of these places here behind us, gosh, it's low. The ceilings are like 6 feet. I had to like duck to get in them. This Infinity Room is pretty cool. It actually jets out way over this big valley. I'll show you this valley somewhere, maybe. Well, you're way up here in the trees. Yeah, way up. It's cool though. A lot of people here, especially for Monday. So there's a lot of little cubby holes. Like, it's got Japanese inspired things and stained glass. And then the ceiling gets low. And lots more stained glass. Especially goes up top. Stay within the gated area. Now you're on top here above the trees. I'm walking on this, it feels like roofing material, which is exactly what it is. Cool view though, huh? Lots of worse places to be on a Monday morning. Everything goes back inside, so. That is the top where we just were. That's that point jettying out that way. That infinity room, jettying out that way. Pretty neat. His gun collection. What the heck is that? I don't think I've ever seen a gun like that one. I'm just saying. It's got some flintlocks. That's a dual-purpose flintlock there. I don't know if these even work or anything. They look like they may have worked at one time. But... some rifles. Really cool. A lot more artifacts and stuff. It's just such a cool building. Medieval. Got some knight armor down there. The streets of yesteryear. It's a little town inside of this place. An old school town. Basically, they're just front facades is what they are. It's cool. This is a giant steam engine. I guess this thing here, they actually pull it. This is one of those, if you put a quarter or a token inside of one of that thing there, it basically plays music and stuff. It was really loud too. Someone just played it. There's a lot of this animatronic kind of stuff going on. Look at that thing. That's crazy how big that is. Excuse the music. People keep putting quarters in those things. Just showing this thing, how this was built. What thing is that? It's this thing here. That's the bottom side of a whale. It's got the Kraken trying to take him under. Like there's a Kraken's eyeball right there. See his eyeball? It's huge. I can't back up far enough because then I can't see any of it. He's massive though. I've never seen one quite that size indoors. It's crazy. This guy collected a whole lot of different stuff. Like this is spittoons. That's a large collection. He just liked to collect things. Pack rat. I guess you just call him. Look at these horns. This is crazy. Whale's teeth. Wow. And bones. And this is that old Ironside ship. It's huge. Just like a cowboy. And he decided to stuff, or collect stuffed teddy bears for a while. It's like everywhere you turn, there's some other collection he's got going on. This is mostly a collection of the things with people with their eyes closed. A lot of them are, anyway. There's even more. I don't know why someone want to collect stuff like this. It's bizarre. They got holes on the top for holding candles, I believe. Interesting. And then you see stuff like this. There's a moose head. Wow. Oh, and here's a much better view of that Kraken. Check him out. You figure this from here to there is about, it's about, I'd say 7 feet. Because it just goes on up. And this whale is life size. Look at the waves going on and check on his tail. It keeps going up and up and up. He's a good 100 feet up there. It's amazing. And all along there's pictures like these, and some of them have got markings that's telling you what it is, and some don't. Orca. Such a cool display. There's a whole different section too. Looks like we're outside. We're actually inside the building. It's got background music in here. More maintenance. So different. Eclectic is, I guess, is the word. The Saints go marching. This in here, you put another quarter in there and play something. It sounds like someone did one down here already. way showing you everything. There is so much going on in this place. It's crazy. There's so much to see. The different rooms. As we continue on, there's a big giant pot up there. You get to places where you're the only ones in there, other places you're shoulder to shoulder with people. The last room like this though. I just wanted to show you all the ornateness in this thing. He definitely has some Japanese influences. This is another one that plays music when you put your quarter in. It plays you a tune. You can buy those tokens on your way in. Check out that dude. He looks all happy. Smile, buddy. You leave this room now. Right away. Pound on my drum. I don't know what that noise is. But check out these carvings. Those are carvings into a bone or a tusk. Yeah, it's illegal to buy and sell these things, but you already own them. You can keep them, which is what they've done here. These would definitely look like ivory tusks that were carved into. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at the detail. Again, I am in no way showing you everything. There is so much to see here. That's cool. That's in the big room. I'm sure they make all kinds of noise in here too when this thing plays. I'm only showing this because I used to work for NCR, which used to be called National Cash Register. They've got a really nice collection of cash register, and believe it or not, the reason cash registers were invented was because of employee theft. It made them be able to keep a record of what exactly was sold and allowed them to inventory. Yeah, how about that? This is called Spirit of Aviation. They got a whole bunch of model planes on the ceiling. This guy, I think this guy was ADD. You got a plane there, which is still a model plane, but it's a big one. And then they got this thing. It's got nothing to do with aviation. It's just strange. I guess it's the best place to put it and get some light. Big long hallway to the carousel. And it's a big carousel. It's massive. This room is huge too. All kinds of extra horses and stuff. They said at one time they'll set it up where there are no horses on this carousel. It's everything except a horse. Of course, there's a zebra on that one. Some kind of unicorn. At one spot is like 6 rows deep. You don't see quite that many. Ooh, nudity. Kind of crazy, isn't it? Looks like I had to put the quarter in that thing. It's big though. And this would be the dollhouse collection. It's all in the glass. I think it'd all be behind glass, but it is. This guy collected anything he felt like collecting, you know. All different kinds of houses, nothing specific. It's a lot of houses. From doll houses to circus tents. A couple of them. Yeah. Everybody's spectators and everything. That's cool. Or firearms. Actually, these are dueling pistol sets. There's a lot of them. I said this guy was like, ooh, look, let's collect these. And he started collecting a bunch of them. A whole big room of them. We have made it outside. It's such a beautiful day out. Check out this collection. There's Kermit the Frog here. Bugs Bunny phone. classic Mickey Mouse phone. Those are all telephones up top. Interesting. And buggies. Old buggies. And those are the big pots that are all over the grounds as you go walk outside. Those big pots right there, those things. .1368 Canon, that's what that is. Yeah, do not climb on. That's a big cannon. Wow. Well, that kind of wraps up our visit to House on the Rock. House on the Rock, not House of the Rock. Here in Wisconsin. It's not far from Madison. I think it's due west of Madison. Yeah, due west of Madison, about 30 miles or something like that. But it's part of the country it's in. A good visit. A lot of walking, huh? A whole lot of walking. Makes us tuckered. Got a pizza shop at the very bottom. We probably could have sat there and ate, but we're quite hungry enough. But we'll get something to eat here in a minute. But if you're in the area, be sure to come by this place. Be ready to walk. There's plenty of places to sit down and stop and take a break. There really are. You just gotta look for them and you'll find them. But a lot of different stuff to see in there. We definitely in no way showed you the most of it. We probably showed you, I don't know, 10% of it. There's a whole lot. Yeah, every time you turn a corner, you see something different. And they've got the thing that interested me most about that was there was a that they had the carousel in a particular area, but then they I shouldn't go walk the dog, but they had carousel pieces all over the place, basically different cubby holes. All of a sudden it's like, oh look, there's a dead space, let's put a piece of carousel in there. Or some of those ivory tusks that we saw that were engraved were just kind of scattered out the place. I actually saw different displays of some firearms too that were scattered out. They weren't all in one area, but it was neat. If you get a chance, come on out here and see this place, House of the Rock, here in Wisconsin. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos. I'm gonna put there of different travel places, and you can check those out also. But we're gonna let you go because we're just out here living.
Cool, it's fine.